Welcome to our video on 15 life hacks for students. In today's fast-paced world, it can be tough to keep up with schoolwork while maintaining a healthy social life. That's why we've put together these tips to help you become a more productive and efficient student. Let's get started. Hack 1. Start your day early. Waking up early can give you the time you need to get ready without feeling rushed. Doing so can help you plan your day better and feel ready to tackle your work. Hack 2. Make a schedule. Jotting down your tasks for the day can help keep you on track. Not only will it give you a sense of accomplishment, but also you'll feel less stressed throughout the day. Hack 3. Use apps to stay organized. Many apps are designed to help you stay organized. From note-taking apps to self-checking timers, these tools can help you streamline the process of getting work done and increase your productivity. Hack 4. Take notes on your computer. Handwriting can be time-consuming and messy. Instead, try taking notes on your computer. This way, you will have clean notes, and it's easier to track and locate them. Hack 5. Use study groups. Studying with a group of like-minded students can keep you motivated and help you learn better. You can also exchange useful materials, ask questions, and practice together, making the study group experience a fruitful one. Hack 6. Listen to music. Putting on some background music while you're working can help you concentrate better. It's a great way to relax your mind and enhance your energy level, boosting your productivity too. Hack 7. Take breaks. Taking small breaks after prolonged study sessions prevents burnout and brain fatigue. Use this time to relax, mental recharge, and practice some self-care. Hack 8. Use memory techniques. Memory techniques such as visual aids, acronyms, and mind mapping can help you recall information faster and more efficiently. Hack 9. Exercise regularly. Working out or doing some physical activity can help boost your mood and increase your energy levels. Exercising regularly combats stress and helps you relax. Hack 10. Get sufficient sleep. Getting enough sleep is vital to bodily health and well-being. Sleeplessness can affect concentration, learning, and memory retention. Hack 11. Manage your time effectively. Use your time wisely by devoting efforts to results-oriented activities. This way, you will have more time to focus on the things that matter to you. Hack 12. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking can make you feel overwhelmed, less productive, and more stressed. Try to concentrate on one task at a time, and you'll get things done faster. Hack 13. Use visual reminders. Visual aids such as sticky notes, posters, and reminders can help you stay on track and remember things better, making it easier to learn and stay organized. Hack 14. Use your learning style. Everyone has their unique way of learning and retaining knowledge. Identify your learning style and use it to make studying easier and more effective. Hack 15. Reward yourself. Don't forget to reward yourself for your hard work. A positive affirmation or a small treat can go a long way to boost your motivation and productivity. Thank you for watching our video on 15 life hacks for students. We hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to try them out and let us know how they work for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get updates on our latest videos. Good luck with your studies, and we'll see you in the next one.